Hi, this is Anton from Hello Clerk. In Hello Clerk we do financial apps for Atlassian Jira. In this video I want to show how to invoice or quote from multiple companies. Every invoice has invoice layout connected to it, and company details are defined inside this invoice layout. So to invoice from multiple companies you need to create multiple invoice layouts and choose the right layout for each invoice. Let me show how to do this. Let's open the invoice layout that we already have and click duplicate. Now let's change the layout name. Let's put a new company name, say Bank 1. And now let's edit the invoice mockup, because we have company details at the bottom of this mockup. So let's click edit the mockup, go to the bottom and update required information. And let's save the mockup. So let's get back to our invoice. Let's edit it and switch the invoice layout. Let's choose the one that we have just created. Now when you will export invoice to PDF or share with client by a secret link, you will see the updated company details at the bottom. Thanks for watching this video. Let me know if you will have any questions. And try our apps for free in the Atlassian marketplace.